After studying English for years you still not able to use vocabulary in real life? Well, today I am going to teach you exactly how to use them. In this lesson, you will learn practical uses for the word, accurate. Are you ready to increase your vocabulary? Well then, let's jump right in. The word accurate means correct in all details, to be exact, perfect, or precise. The definition seems quite easy. But how can you actually use this English vocabulary word in real life? Well, to do this, we must look at our daily schedule. In other words, we have to start from the time we wake up, and go all the way to bedtime. Okay, let's begin. First, we wake up. My alarm was quite accurate this morning. My alarm was quite accurate this morning. The next thing we usually do is eat breakfast. I had an accurate amount of calories for breakfast. I had an accurate amount of calories for breakfast. After breakfast, we leave for work. The app gave accurate information about the bus. The app gave accurate information about the bus. Then, we spend time at the office. The financial statements must be accurate. The financial statements must be accurate. Then, it is lunch time. McDonald's is always accurate with my order. McDonald's is always accurate with my order. After lunch, we sometimes have meetings. He told us that everything had to be accurate. He told us that everything had to be accurate. When we get off from work, we sometimes meet with our friends. My friends usually give me accurate advice. My friends usually give me accurate advice. Then we go home and spend time relaxing. I spent an accurate amount of time relaxing today. I spent an accurate amount of time relaxing today. And finally, we realized that is bedtime. The time on my clock was accurate. The time on my clock was accurate. And now, you have learned the vocabulary word accurate. Until next time, try to use this vocabulary word at least one time every day. You can do it. You can speak English. If you liked this video, hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time I post a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.